Welcome to the next part of the video. Question number 19. From the amongst the remedy of antimiasmatic given below, pick up the grand antipsychotic remedy is argentum nitricum, Medinum, natrium sulf, and CPR. The next question, question number 20. The patient is fat, chilly, with delayed menstrual history, nail and deform, clumping, and beetle sore and painful. The remedy is graphitis. Consider the following medicine. Which of the above medicine applicable in case of toothache amelioration? Holding ice cold water inside the mouth. You can use your own direction. Then question number 22. Association. Magnesium phosphoricum is prepared to belladonna in spasmodic pain region. In belladonna, congestion is marked and pain appear and disappear suddenly. Both A and R is true, but the R is not a correct explanation of A. Question number 23. Alumina is the aconite of chronic disease. The treatment of all chronic disease can be initiated with alumina without considering the symptom totality of any other creation whatever. A is true, but R is false. Typhoid fever region. Baptisia is a low dilution produced from antibody to the bacterial typhus. A is false, but R is true. Question number 25. Sulfur is a great antisoric remedy. Sulfur has often the great use of beginning to the treatment of soric cases. A and R is true, but R is not a correct application of A. Question number 26. It seems to be probably that Ars iode there is a remedy most likely to allied to the manifestation of tuberculosis. Reason clinically advised the tuberculosis is began to the treatment with Ars iode. A is true, but R is false. The next question. Arsenic album is a CP remedy anti-chronic of horse remedy and pulse is a pig's remedy. According to the test, arsenic act best vegetable eating animal of carnivorous have the power to boost the nervous restlessness. The anti C has a remedy to grow fat and pulse tend to get fright with the dullness of intelligence. A is false, R is true. Then question number 28. During difficult dentation, child is unable to digest milk. The characteristics of magnesium mure. List 1 is medicine and 2 is your disease. Answer is B. What is the answer? Urtica urinis, superficial burn, selenium core gangrene, kali bichrome full thickness of burn, symphytum eye injury. Consider the following. Which of the mentioned in the medicine applicable in case of left side sciatica pain? First and third, causticum and colocynth. Match the list. First symptom, second one is the medicine. The correct one is child aversion to platinum, cannot to at blood alumina, business aversion, sepia fansalis, talk to of business Brinia alba. Question number 32. In the controlled and blind trial of drug in a homeopathic drug proof protocol, who is are kept blind about the nature of the drug is proven. Question number 33. Hahnemann, while proving the Peruvian bark took 4 drams of China once a day. The first nosodes proved by Dr. C.S.F. Hahnemann was Suriname. Next question, question number 35. Thuja is the king of antisoric remedy region. Thuja can cure each and every warts at each location. Answer is C. Question number 45. Consider the following symptoms. Answer is B. 1 and 3rd. Question number 46. Marasmus abrotinum is characterized by the marasmus of lower extremities. Question number 47. Incoordinate craving for meat in children. Tuberculosis is the parentage of characteristics of McCarb. The traumatic chronic neuritis, neuralgia of stump after amputation, burning and stinging pain are characteristics of Allium cepa. At convulsion of urination is a characteristics of sarsaparilla. Question number 50. Which of the following statement is not correct? Hemamidis is the aconite and arterial capillary system. Question number 51. Which of the following does not belong to pathogenesis of Megaerium? Teeth decay, especially at the edge of the gum. Question number 52. Profuse perspiration after the acute disease with relief of all suffering is the peculiar symptom is Suriname. 53. Decided aversion of coitation found in graphitis. Question number 54. Great indigestion about the things done by oneself or other is characteristics of Staphylococcus aureus. Question number 55. Which of the following drug required by a girl teen age with the nerve exertion who suffer from the incent and the violent frigidity, feeling the feet of lower extremities and move them constantly? Ginkum mat. Of the following is not the symptom of euphrasia is respect of mens early. A child suffering from acute tonsillitis is present with the symptom of throat pain associated with the pain in ear which got aggravated by warm drink by better cold drink. Which one of the following likely remedy? Phytolacca dendra. Question number 58. Abdominal colic of colocynth is ameliorated by bleeding double. Question number 59. Which of the following the correct order the match of sequence order in amelioration from coffee, aggravation from coffee and desire of coffee? Chamomilla, ignatia and Angostura. Then question number 60. Consider the following symptoms. First, second and fourth. Question number 61. Consider the following. The features are found in Kali Bicro 1/3 4th.